Picture this, a room full of men, all vying for power and dominance. It's a scene that's played out countless times throughout history, from the battlefields of ancient Rome to the boardrooms of modern-day corporations. And in today's world, it's more important than ever to know how to show dominance without actually saying anything. Showing dominance has been a part of the male experience since practically the dawn of time. It is a primal instinct, a way to establish oneself as the alpha in a group and to protect one's interests. Throughout history, men used to have various means to show their dominance, from physical strength and cunning to intelligence and charisma. In this video, we're going to go through 5 powerful ways to show dominance without actually saying anything. These techniques have been used by some of the greatest minds and leaders throughout history, and they can be applied to any situation, whether it's in the workplace, in relationships, or in any other aspect of life. The first technique for showing dominance is body language. The way that you carry yourself speaks volumes, and it conveys a sense of confidence and power. Albert Einstein once said, "It's not the words you speak, but the way you stand, the way you hold your head, and the way you look that conveys a message." And the ancient Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Stand tall and upright. This can only be achieved by keeping your shoulders back, your chin up, and your chest out. This posture not only makes you look more confident, but it'll also help you breathe better, which can give you more energy and focus. Use expansive gestures. Expansive gestures, such as spreading your arms wide or placing your hands on your hips, can convey a sense of authority and control. These gestures tend to take up more space and can make you look and feel more confident. Maintain a relaxed and calm demeanor. Confidence is often linked to a relaxed and calm demeanor. Try to keep your body movements slow and controlled, and avoid fidgeting or tapping your feet. Keep a relaxed, confident smile. Smiling can be a powerful tool for showing dominance, but it's important to make sure your smile is relaxed and genuine. A tight or forced smile can make you look nervous or insincere. Body language is a powerful tool for showing dominance because it can be used to project confidence, assertiveness, and control. Whether it's standing tall, making eye contact, or using expansive gestures, the way that you carry yourself can have a profound impact on how others perceive you. By doing so, you'll project a sense of confidence and control that others will pick up on, making you appear more dominant without actually saying anything. The second technique for showing dominance is eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication, and it can be used to show dominance in any situation. Making sustained eye contact in a situation sends a powerful message of confidence and control, and it can be used to establish dominance in any situation. As the saying goes, the eyes are the windows to the soul, and when you make eye contact, you're opening those windows and letting the world see the confidence within. Incorporating eye contact into your daily life is simple, but it takes practice. Whenever you're speaking to someone, make a conscious effort to maintain eye contact. This will show the other person that you're confident and you're in control, and it will also help establish a deeper connection and build trust. If you struggle, here's a tip: stare at their nose. The person opposite of you won't know any better. Of course, it's important to use eye contact appropriately and to not overuse it. Staring at someone for too long can come across as aggressive and confrontational. It's important to strike a balance, as all things should be. Just like a firm handshake can convey confidence and control, so too can avoiding eye contact. So the next time you're in a situation where you want to show dominance, remember the power of eye contact and make a conscious effort to maintain it. You'll be amazed at the impact it could have. The tone of your voice can be a powerful tool in establishing dominance and conveying confidence. As the old saying goes, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. The tone of your voice can communicate a wide range of emotions, from anger and aggression to calmness and control. When you want to show dominance, it's important to project a strong, confident voice. One way to do this is to slow your speech and speak in a deep, controlled tone. This conveys confidence and control, and it will make people want to take you more seriously. It's also important to pay attention to the volume of your voice. Speak in a clear, concise voice that's loud enough to be heard, but not so loud that you come across as aggressive or confrontational. Another aspect of voice tone is intonation. The way that you stress certain words can greatly affect the perception of dominance. For example, if you want to make a strong point, stress the keywords and speak with a confident intonation. So try it out next time. Pay attention to your voice tone. Make a conscious effort to slow down your speech. Speak in a deep, controlled tone, and pay attention to the volume and the intonation of your voice. The way you present yourself can greatly impact the perception of dominance, and taking care of your appearance is a crucial aspect of this. Think of it this way. The clothes you wear are like the armor that you put on before battle. They are a reflection of who you are and the message you want to send. When you want to show dominance, it's important to present yourself in a way that conveys confidence, strength, and control. That means dressing appropriately for the occasion and wearing clothes that fit well and flatter your body. It also means to pay attention to grooming, such as keeping your hair trimmed and your beard neatly groomed. Another important aspect of appearance is posture. Stand up straight, hold your head high, and avoid slouching. This will help project confidence and dominance without you ever saying a word. Confidence is the foundation of all dominance and is the key to showing dominance without actually saying, anything. Confidence is not just about being sure of oneself. It is a projection of power and control. People can sense confidence in others, and it's this sense that can help you show dominance without even opening your mouth. When you have confidence, you exude a sense of control, and others are naturally drawn to you. This is because confidence creates a sense of safety and security for those around you. Confidence also conveys that you have experience and knowledge, and that is one thing that will absolutely make others look up to you and respect you. Confidence can also be developed by focusing on your strengths and working to improve yourself in areas where you may have weaknesses. You can also work on your self-talk and eliminate any negative thoughts that hold you back. Reading books on self-improvement and taking courses can also help you build confidence. A quote from Winston Churchill perfectly illustrates the power of confidence. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. When you have the courage to continue, even in the face of failure, you demonstrate confidence, and that is what sets you apart from others. Showing dominance is not just about physical strength. It's also about mental fortitude. Having a strong mindset is essential, as it helps you overcome challenges and maintain your dominance. Mental strength is what sets you apart from the average person and allows you to conquer whatever obstacles come your way. It is not just about having a strong will, but also about having a positive outlook and the ability to control your thoughts and emotions. A great leader or philosopher once said, "A man's greatest weapon is his mind." This perfectly encapsulates the importance of mental strength in showing dominance. Having mental strength allows you to stay focused, remain calm under pressure, and make decisions with confidence. It's essential in not just showing dominance, but in every aspect of life. By developing your mental strength, you will become the master of your own mind and able to take control of any situation. So make it a priority to work on your mental strength, and you'll be well on your way to showing dominance in all areas of your life. Rituals are often overlooked of an aspect in building confidence, but they can be incredibly powerful tools for tapping into your inner strength and confidence. Whether it's a daily morning routine or a pre-game ritual or any other repeated action, these rituals can help you build a foundation of mental and emotional strength that will serve you well in all aspects of life. Think of rituals as building blocks. Just as you lay each block one by one to build a strong structure, you lay each ritual one by one to build a strong foundation for your dominant self. These rituals provide a routine and a stability in your life, which can help you maintain focus, clarity and calmness in even the most trying of situations. For example, if you're an athlete, your pregame ritual might be stretching, visualization, and deep breathing exercises to calm your nerves and help you focus on the task at hand. And if you're in a high-pressure environment, maybe a high-pressure work environment, your morning ritual may include meditation, journaling, and affirmations to start your day. That way you can start that day on a positive note. Whatever the ritual may be, it's a tool that can help you tap into your inner dominance and build confidence. We are what we repeatedly do, so excellence then is not an act, but a habit. Showing dominance without saying a word is a crucial aspect of masculinity that has been valued throughout history. Each technique plays a vital role in conveying confidence and power without ever having to say a word. Remember, confidence is the foundation of it all. As the great Winston Churchill once said, confidence is the first step to greatness, and greatness is the first step to dominance. Take these techniques to heart and apply them to your daily life, and you'll find how easy it actually is. And that's about all I have for you guys today, so take it easy.